এখানে আছি সৃষ্টির পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানানোর জন্য। বাঙালি অথচ ফুটবল প্রেমী নন এরকম হয়তো বা খুব কম মানুষই আছেন, তাই না? আর সেই কারণেই আজকে আমরা এখানে সবাই একসাথে হয়েছি এবং আসুন, এটা ওদের 3 বছর ধরে এরা এদের প্রয়াস চালিয়ে আসছেন। এবং আসুন এখন আমরা চলে যাব আমাদের সংবাদ প্রতিনিধি শরতের কাছে এবং জেনে নেব ওর কাছ থেকে যে কি ভাবছেন আজকের খেলা নিয়ে এবং ঠিক কি চলছে।
As we are witnessing the soccer game in Mill Pond here, we have our chief guest Sumit Ganguly ji, and we'll ask him, what is his pulse today, how he's feeling, and tell us, how you're feeling first.
So I think it's okay now that we are a little far away. We can remove the mask, if that's okay. Thank you for this opportunity, and I think the day is for Shrishti. As some of you may know, Shrishti is a Sanskrit word, and it really means creation. And what they've been doing for the last couple of years is really praiseworthy. They've been arranging a whole host of events, this being one of them. And some of you may or may not know, we've not really done very well as Bengalis, but we are big soccer aficionados. And this is a representation of whatever we'd like to do. And this is one of the best of the fall days, and we've got 4 teams that are here. There's a round robin that's going on, and the finals going on right now. There's enough Bengali being spoken in the background. I think nothing could be better than this. And then you drown it yourself with some tea and samosas. And so this is a perfect day. And more important, it's an outreach for our community to not just be cloistered in doing your own thing, but kind of reaching out and doing something with the community at large.
So Sumit ji, you've been called as a guest here. I just wanted to know how you stepped out of your home with the current pandemic in the air around, and what are your precautions, and how are you witnessing this game with the precautions?
No, it is an existential crisis, and one can't speak or try and reduce the risks. I'm of course armed with the mask, and that's what I was wearing. But I think what has happened is we are outdoors, and the group has been very diligent in terms of taking the necessary precautions, both in terms of safety and hygiene and everything else. Everyone's kind of maintaining some amount of distance. And having said that, there is also something to be said about herd immunity. We've been with this now for the last 5-6 months. We've been playing tennis. People are mentioning that you're encouraged to kind of be outside. And as you can see, the group has been clearly ensuring that they're keeping some amount of social distance. So I think it's extremely important for us to really come back to some amount of normal living. And I think this is a perfect way to do that.
Ranjita ji, who's the Vice President of Srishti, and she's going to talk about how they have conceived of this idea about soccer in this beautiful field, and what their plans are all about.
Hi, this is Ranjita. I'm representing Srishti. Srishti is sponsoring the soccer tournament here in Mill Pond soccer field in Belmead. We have about 4 teams and 60 players who are playing for us. And from the morning, we had a couple of games. The semi-finals are over. Currently, the finals are in progress. And after that, we are going to have an award ceremony. So far, everything is going very good. We had about 100 people who are here to witness the games. So everything is going good, very good, lovely weather. And we're all enjoying.
So Ranjita ji, tell me, in the middle of the pandemic, what are the precautions you're taking, especially when the game is there? How are you preventing, any repercussions, and how are you doing the seamless play? And I'll ask the next question about
Sure. As far as the precautions goes, we are actually following everything as per the COVID-19 guidelines. For example, when the players they came into the field, we check their temperature and through the touchless temperature thermometer, so that everybody is good and there's nobody's coming up with any fever or illness. We made sure about that. And then we have all these posters here about social distancing. We made sure that everybody is wearing a mask when the players are playing. Other than that, all the time people are wearing the mask, and all, even their families and friends who have visited here. And also we are maintaining social distancing, made sure that people are not sitting side by side, and there's a 6 feet distance between them. So we made sure all these things. And also the food and everything that we provided them, they are pre-packed hot food. So there's no chances of any contamination or anything like that.
So on a different note, Ranjita ji, I mean, the middle of the pandemic, it's taking a toll on everybody. Just wanted to know, I mean, in Srishti, how are you going to provide any entertainment, or how are you engaging the community people as far as recreation is concerned?
I know during the pandemic, everybody is at home. So from Srishti, we made sure that we have pretty good lineup of programs lined up, and the way we can entertain our members virtually. Obviously, we have done couple of shows, musical shows, and even for the upcoming Durga Puja, we are doing some musical shows. The kids are performing. Everything is virtual, and we also in Srishti we have our own digital platform through which we have done some shows involving the offshore artists, and we made sure that our members can view it, and absolutely free of cost. We haven't charged anything to our members for all these shows. We have done about 5 or 6 shows so far, and other than that, we have also done a couple of fundraising activities through which we have helped the hospitals and all other places where they need our help. So we have done that here and also in India, NRS Hospital and a couple of other organizations. We help them as well. So this is pretty much it. But we also have a couple of things lined up till the end of this year. And our biggest event, that is Saraswati Puja, that's coming up in February. We don't know whether we'll be able to do it on premises, although we have made the bookings and everything, the hall booking and everything, but we are not sure how things are going to be at that time. So we will take the decision. If we cannot do it on premises, obviously we will do it virtually, so that, we will try to give the best to our members.
Friends, that was Anjita ji, the Vice President of Srishti organization in New Jersey. We have learnt about how social distancing and the precautions are going on while this soccer game is getting played, who's been guest of honor with us. Krishna ji, tell us, you came to enjoy the game in Mill Pond here. It's such a azure blue skies and such a lovely weather.
Yeah,
how are you enjoying the game, and what is the pulse of your enjoyment, and how are you excited, and what are you going to do today?
All right, I'm excited. I'm invited here by Srishti to present the prize to the winners. It's my immense pleasure that they invited me over here. I'm enjoying. The weather is fine, and they are playing. It's still going on. We are just enjoying here the game and the people and the weather.
Krishna ji, I mean, we were all, locked down at home, and, the current times are taking a toll on us. So what is the contrast here? I mean, so how do you feel, after coming here and breathing the oxygen out, and how does it feel when you come onto these fields, after such a long time?
Well, it's a little chilly here, but it's a very nice day. It's sunny, and it's not that sunny, but I'm still enjoying the weather here. And what can I say? The khola akashe niche, right? And the athletes. I'm here to enjoy the game, and also to see how their dedication in this time of the COVID-19, you know, I'm surprised that all these people are playing. They are so dedicated to their games.
Yeah.
And that's why I feel I have to be here to see their dedication and to praise them.
Hi everyone, Ray Chaudhary, the General Secretary of Srishti. So this is our third year of organizing the Srishti soccer tournament, and as you have seen, I mean it's a pretty, like a very intense affair where we have four teams which are pairing up with each other. We had 6 league games and then a final, which is happening right now between MLK and the Plainsboro A team. So this year we have four zonal teams. Two from Plainsboro, one from Edison, and one is a mix and match team from either sides. And we have built up a pretty good soccer fraternity here. There are about like almost 80 people who play soccer here, and it's an amazing like atmosphere where we all bond together and have this family affair kind of event and play all for the fun of it.
Dear friends, as we are witnessing the soccer game, উনি একজন দারুণ ফুটবল প্রেমী। ওনাকে জিজ্ঞেস করব এই খেলাটা কতটা এনজয় করছেন।
তো এটা ফাইনাল চলছে, এটা এমএলকে ভার্সেস পিবিএ প্লেন্সবোরো গ্রুপে। আর সো ফার পিবিএ লিড করছে 1-0 গোল হয়েছে। এটা হাফ টাইম, এক্ষুনি এবার সেকেন্ড হাফ স্টার্ট হবে ফর অ্যানাদার 15 মিনিটস। সো দেখি কে জেতে।
আমরা আছি মিলপন্ড সকার কমপ্লেক্সে, আর আমাদের সাথে আছেন চিফ গেস্ট অফ সৃষ্টি টুডে সুমিত গাঙ্গুলি জি। আর ওনাকে জিজ্ঞেস করব ওনার এই খেলাটা কেমন লাগছে।
খুবই ভালো লাগছে। প্রথমত তুমি অবাঙালি হয়ে এত ভালো বাংলা বললে, খুবই দরকার যে আমিও ঠিক করে বাংলা বলতে পারি। কিন্তু বেলমিডে মিলপন্ডে এরকম সুন্দর একটি প্রতিষ্ঠা আছে, দ্যাট ইজ বিউটিফুল। আর সৃষ্টি হ্যাজ বিন ডুইং দিস থিংস ভেরি ভেরি ওয়েল, অ্যান্ড আই থিঙ্ক দিস ইজ ক্লিয়ারলি আ গ্রেট ইনিশিয়েটিভ অন দেয়ার পার্ট to try and football খেলাটা organize করাতে। So again, want to wish the very best to the leaders out there, Partho, Ronjita, Shubhajit, jara ache. So again, congratulations. Thank you.